Yo, what is up everybody, and today I'm going to be unboxing the new iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I believe it, I don't know if you have the case here, but I also ordered the MagSafe battery bank for this phone, because, you know, I always go low on storage. Actually, let's go ahead and unbox the phone. Let's go ahead and do this for a little bit. Oh boy, here it is. Alright, so if you guys want to know the more details about the inside about the phone, I'm not going to be the one that talks about it. Oh, that's weird. Oh, the device return. Oh my god, yo! That's for later. So here is my new iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm just gonna cover it because I don't want to show my, Anyway, so let's go ahead and unbox the nuts before I unbox the new 15 Pro Max. Because I'm officially switching over to Apple now. And also the new battery pack from that brand. Unfortunately, I didn't pick the Anchor brand because I know you don't know it's my favorite charging brand. It's that I don't want to spend more than like $20 for a battery bank because I'm starting off with her MagSafe stuff. So yeah. So let me get my Android phone real quick. So I'm literally switching from my Samsung S22 Ultra 5G. I'm switching over from this phone to this phone. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see it. Here we go. Oh my god. So here it is, the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before we get to this part, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the side. We got the braided USB Type-C to Type-C cable. And now we have Apple stickers, we have eSIM, which I'm going to miss my regular SIM card. It is what it is. So yeah, I'll put that inside because why not? So oh my god, it looks so nice. The cameras are so big compared with my S22. Bro, the lens are even bigger. Oh my god, yo. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna turn it on while I'm doing this. Oh, that looks so good. Alright. Put that in. Okay, so what we got here is a Type-C right there, which is absolutely perfect. We got the volume buttons right here, then the action button. Oh my god, it looks so good. And we got the power button, as well as the new dynamic island. Alright. Open it up. English. United States. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna keep it default for now. See how I'm feeling. Quick start guide. I don't have an iPhone. I'm gonna go ahead and get my Wi-Fi going. Alright, got the Wi-Fi in. I'm definitely switching from Android. Like, I know it's a little bit of a bigger screen. Oh yes, let's go. I'm switching to Apple. I'm switching over to Apple. Connect my, yes please. Says match, yes please. Continue. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and type in my zip code. Activating my cell phone. Oh my god. I'm gonna miss the physical SIM card, but I'm moving to eSIM now. Man, that would be so nice. By the way, I'm not gonna be huge into the whole like review on this phone, but I will review this phone. I will review this phone, but I'm not going to like be like one of those top creators who say the best. I mean, not top. Hold on. Activating SIM. I'm kind of excited. I'm not gonna be like one of those reviews where they're gonna explain everything, but yeah. It's got Type C. Wait, can I touch my Yeah, let's go. Cellular, how can I say it? Cellular complete. Okay, software updates. Alright, agree. I mean, I'm not gonna transfer anything other than my contacts and the stuff I have here. Look at the black titanium. That looks so nice. It's a little heavier on my iPhone than my Android. Got the flashlight, the camera. I think it has the 48 megapixel camera. It can go up to the 5 times zoom, which is pretty nice. But I'm gonna go ahead and take that cable because I might use this. One here. And right there. And I think it's wait. Not a very long cable, but can I charge my Android with this? One cable right here, and then another. Oh, it charges my. Oh. Oh. It charges my iPhone with the Android. That's cool. Now that's while that's going out, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this MagSafe battery pack that I picked up off Amazon. All right. And now I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Now it comes with this, and I'm gonna also have not you little packing. All right, the new MagSafe battery that I just picked up is here. My bad. Oh. Okay, that's fine. Okay. That's 100%, right? Oh, you can make a kickstand. Oh, that's great. I can just get out of that grip. Alright, I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, it's been like 2-3 days since I got this phone. This phone is really amazing though. I got my home screen, which is my Waze, because I don't really use Apple Maps because I know that it takes me to the wrong direction. Even though, let's say if I go to a different address, let's say a seller's house, or whenever I buy something from Facebook Marketplace, Apple Maps tend to put me in the middle of nowhere instead of going to the seller's house. So yeah, so that's why I use these two apps instead. So I got Waze, Google Maps, I got Gmail. This is a lot of emails I have because I have multiple Gmail accounts on it. My Facebook, X or Twitter, Messenger, TikTok, Instagram, Twitch, WhatsApp, all my banking apps, Chime. Yep, and I got Kick, Proton VPN, YouTube Studios. Let's see, I got 639, which is good. I got Discord. I have not logged into Discord yet because it's logged into another Gmail account that I don't remember the password on. But sadly, it's linked to my old phone number that I don't have anymore. So I guess I might have to ask my mom to borrow her work phone to see if I can get that Google account back and then get my Discord account to my personal phone. And of course I got YouTube, phone, all the basic Apple apps. I don't know what I have, the extra VPN app here. NordPass, which I use it for my passwords, speed test, JBL, because I'm planning on getting the new JBL Boombox 3 coming from the Soundcore. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the Soundcore. I just want more bass. My school apps. I got GoPro app. This app kind of lets me have a viewfinder for my camera. Smart home. The shopping apps. Amazon. Find My. All the authentication apps. Because I do have 2-factor authentication on my accounts. And then I have all my streaming apps. Translate, that way I can translate different languages to people whenever I interact with them. Or I just translate it to my mom's side grandma because she doesn't really understand much Spanish. I have my photos and my notes, which I haven't done much with my notes app. And I have a whole bunch of apps out here that I don't really need. So yeah. Also, if you guys are wondering what second I set my action button, I have it set as my which is pretty good. I love it. Cause that other little features that Apple add, like my lock screen, my lock screen down. It kind of makes me appreciate Apple more, but that doesn't mean that I don't appreciate any other company less. I still like Samsung, Apple, all the companies, but some features like the dynamic island or this widget on the lock screen, and I know Android has the one on the home screen, but I think Apple looks cleaner in my opinion. So yeah, I got the black matter. I picked this up from this case from Walmart, which is the Autobots. Cause all the clear cases on Walmart that I really want is unfortunately not what I want because it's kind of a crystally girly color cases. But then I stumbled upon this case, which is the nice blue, more like a sky blue color, which I love. I don't know if it's the correct lighting, but yeah. Let's see what the time right now. 29. Alright, so yeah, and also got the Walmart branded screen protector, which I don't know if you guys can tell. You guys can tell with the edges of the screen protector other than the phone. Yeah, I use some kind of unbranded screen protector, so yeah. And I don't have much widgets other than my photos and my SoundCloud widgets. So yeah. The reason why I'm not gonna compare my Galaxy with this phone is because I have to trade it in my Galaxy phone. I can't have it any longer due to the AT&T's expected due date for me to trade in the phone. Because by the time I come back from school, Sunday is gonna be the due date. But by that time, I don't think they're gonna be happy if I don't have my phone, my old phone, in the headquarters. So I got a Gmail notification. Anyways, yeah. So I would love to do comparisons, but if I would have to, then I'm gonna have to save up enough money and buy a used S22 Ultra and then compare the videos with those, which I don't want to. Like, I get it, I can sell it, I just don't want to. So yeah, I might do some kind of tips and tricks for this phone. We'll see how it goes. I might gonna do some kind of day in the life for this. So yeah, stay tuned. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, and I'm about to input some footage on my laptop, and I'll see you guys in the next video.